So hello and welcome friends to our channel Intro Mech, and here we discuss about basic mechanical engineering concepts. So today we are going to discuss something different topic. Now you might have seen people sharing their virtual portfolios and kind of their websites. So you might be thinking that is it too costly or is it too difficult to create such kind of things? So if I ask or if I tell you that there is some tool which is freely available on the net with which you can create your own website with lot of options, then could you just accept it? So yes, there is a tool and it is completely free with which you can create wonderful your portfolios and so many other things. So let's check out the tool. So just put Wix on the net and you can see free website builder. The name itself is there and you can see you have entered into this, create a website you're proud of, right? So you have to create your account over here and then you can just log in. So here you can see login, so you can just log in with say Google, your Google account. So just keep in mind one thing, when you are like logging in, your email ID is going to be a part of your website, so choose accordingly. Now here I have created some of my previous stuff, so that's why it is showing my previous stuff, but you can directly go onto the home page. So in the right hand corner you could see I have logged in and you can go the option create a new site. So it will take you to this window. Right now here it will ask what kind of website you are creating. So whether you want to create an online store, a portfolio, a blog, a consultant, or a technology company. So lot of options we have. So let's go with say some portfolio over here. And when you select portfolio, again it will show n number of options, like you are a designer or a doll designer, self-design, then a furniture, tool maker, comedian. Lot of options are there, so you can just pick say some style of portfolio. You will get again n number of templates. So this is just a start. You can go with any kind of portfolio or a specific portfolio if you want. So for example, let's take some portfolio over here. So we can select some portfolio. Let's see what we can have. So let's take a we can have a video portfolio, might be. So creative portfolio, yeah, let's take a creative portfolio and hit next. Now here you could see lot of options what do you want to add to your website. You can add chat, online store, forms, video. So you can just click on it or else just unselect it. You can later add on also. So just hit on to the next button and here it will ask you two questions, that let Wix create website for you or create website with the editor. So here you just have to give some answers and the site will be created, or you can create your own site. So that's a huge advantage over here. You can play around it and you can have some your own thing. So let's go with it, edit a template. So it will have a lot of templates in its database, so you can check out here and just you can select a template over here. Template is essentially nothing but the layout of your website, how it will look and how the homepage will look and all those things. So you can just select the style, something which you like. I am going with this. So just go on the edit button. So now you have started editing your own website, right? So this is going to be amazing. So it will take some time, and we will be entering our own site. Now this is a complete layout of the site. You can edit everything on the page, from the background, the font size, style, color, photo, video, everything you can change. So that is a huge advantage here. And now let's start. It is a video portfolio. I want to change my name, so just hit on the box and it will get activated. You can drag it, you can place it wherever you want. So you can just hit the edit text button and you can type your name or anything you want. Then in the right hand side you can see there are a lot of text setting options: bold, italic, underline, color change, transparent. So all the features are available over here. You can change the font size if you want according to your requirement, and you can play with the options available over here. So lot of options. You have effects, then you have line spacing. You can change everything over here, right? And this is great thing. And then you have animations also, like when the site will open, how the name will arrive. So you can give that animation also, whatever you want, right? So for now let's go with some animation. You can glide in. Okay, let's go with, say, glide in. So I have selected the animation. Again, in animation also you have the settings, so you can just play whatever you want. So this is the thing with the animation pen, right? Then what else you have? You just have to save as you are doing some changes onto the site. So here, get a free domain. You could see the domain name Manoj Patil Intromech. That is essentially my the Gmail ID. So that's why I told you that while entering into it, check out your email ID, because it is going to be in your domain name. And here you can change the thing. You can give something whatever you want. I'm giving like my portfolio, say. So you can type over here. So this complete will be your website name. So I'm saving it, and your site is saved. Okay, done, right? So the autosave option is also available. So as you are doing changes, it will get saved automatically. Now here you have some video. Then you can go into the manage videos options, and there you can pick and place your own video, or you can get the video link from the YouTube also. So it will show you the different options. You have a video library, or you can upload your video, or you can simply copy paste the video URL from the YouTube if you want. So that will show that video at that place. So this is how you can add some videos or other things you want, right? Then what else we have? Now on the top side you can see the buttons like home, then show reel, about, contacts, and blogs. So these are like sections of my website, right? So this is my home page. Now I want to go to the next page, like show reel. Now this is something that will show about let's say my work or something like that. Okay, so again here you can add your own videos if it is your video portfolio, right? So you can add your videos, photos, or whatever you want. So again you have options like in manage videos, and the same window will pop up, and you can add the videos from the website or your own videos, right? The same option is available over here. Now along with this, let's say I want to add some photographs, some library. So here you have all the options, like you can add text, images, buttons, gallery, decoratives. All these things you can add on your homepage wherever you want. You can just pick that option and place wherever you want. In that way you can decorate your own site. So I think this is amazing. I want to add some photos, galleries options I have, that how the photo should move. So I'm taking a slider. Let's take a slider. Now here I want to place it on the downside, so just drag it and just place it in the downside, and that's it. So you have placed a photo gallery on your website. Right now I want to change the photos in my gallery, so just click on the that thing and change images. Now here there is a images, so you can add images from, say, website, your own photos, whatever you want. Again, you have a lot of options. You can just add your files over here, and you can upload from your computer, so that's a great thing, right? And you can just sequence the photos, whichever you want first, whichever you want seconds, so you can play with them, and that's it. So your photo gallery is ready. You can add title for the photos, descriptions, you can give some linkage to the photo. So there are n number of options available. You just have to explore this site, and it is amazing site. So I'm now saving it, right? So done. So this is my showreel page is all about. Then the about page, so here I will add something about me. If you want to add your photos, or you want to add some codes, or anything you want to add, you can just add over here, right? And if you want to use it, then you have an option of download CV also. So this button has a link, it has a proper link, so you can attach a PDF file of your resume to this link. So whenever someone opens this site and click on the download CV, your CV will get automatically downloaded. So this is amazing. And you can add some web address if you want, or anything. You have a lot of options. Document, if you want to add, you can add a document also. So this is a great thing. You can upload from your computer, say. So hit the computer, and you can just find out the data. If you want to add some CV or some document or anything you want, you just have to pick that option and hit OK button. That's it. So you can add anything over here, right? So this is it. And you can add the data over here, and when you click it, it will get downloaded. So this is about the about page. And if I want to change the format, style of the button, you can change that style, right? So there are a lot of options available, so you can pick your own style. I am going with this, right? Then we have a contact page. We have like contacts. So here you can add your contacts, your numbers, and the form is like given here to submit. Thanks for submitting, and it actually submits a form. So if you want to add something, if you want to remove something from this format, you can have your own format. There are settings, so you can change accordingly. You can add, you can remove, you can add a new field if you want. So there are a lot of options available, right? And this is how you can create your contact page also. And here you can have your own phone number and IDs and etc. So this is how. Then there is a blog page, and here there will be some blogs. If you want to add something, you can easily add into those blogs. Again, there are a lot of options to edit that, and you can manage the post. Now if I don't want, let's say this, you can change the site design also. You have some templates, so with the help of which you can change the different sites. You can add some media, you can add videos, and let's say if I don't want this blog page onto my website, so I want to delete it. So you can just go into the manage thing, and in the right side click it and just delete it. So this blog option will get deleted from my website, and you can see here now the blog has been removed. So I have home, showreel, about and contacts. That's it. I don't want a blog option over there, and that's why I have removed it. So this is how you can create, you can play around with your site, and you can change the background if you want a video. Also you can add some background video. Now let's take some example. Let's take the video. So now you can see here I have added a video, and that's it. So whenever the website is opened, the video will play in the background. So isn't it amazing? So this is how now you have created the website, and now you can see on the top we have like two different options, because the site can also be opened on the Android phone also, right? So now let's preview our site, how it looks actually. So you can go into the preview option, and now here it is, the video is playing in the background. My name comes because we have given the animation, and you can just move up and down, then go on to the showreel, so it will show the things. You can just tap on the photo gallery which we have added. Alright, you can see the video. You can have a download CV option, then you can give the link to these options like Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube, Insta, whatever you want. You can give the links to these things also, and this is how your site will look like when someone opens it. So you can go into the back to the editor, and if you don't like something, you can again change it, right? So now let's check a switch to mobile option. Now you can check out that how your site will look like on the mobile phones, because we know that now a lot of people operate the things from the mobile. So you can check out that how your site will look on the mobile. Now here it is the preview option. So here how it looks like on my Android phone. You can check out how the home will look like. So this is how my home page will look like, and it is looking great. So you can just cross check that whether the site is looking good on the Android phone also or not, or you have to do some changes. So according to that you can do some changes also, right? So again switch to the desktop mode here, and we have a desktop mode here. So back to the editor again, and what we have, finally we have a publish button. So as soon as you hit on the publish button, you can see congratulations, the site has been published and live online. So if you provide the link of your this link to anybody, now you can see the name Manoj Patil intromech.wixsite.com hashtag my / my portfolio. This is my ID, and if I share this to anyone, and you can share this to your resume or your accounts, so that anyone who hits it will see your amazing work, can see your amazing work. You can share this link to the people to look to your work, and this is it. So look how beautiful it is and how easy it is. You can just play around it and you can create your own site. So I think this is amazing, and it has a lot of options. So, and it is, the most important thing is completely free. So if you want a specific domain name, then only you have to pay something. Otherwise with this domain name, it is completely freely available. So you don't have to pay a single penny for it. So it's a great benefit. So I think that's it for the today's session. I hope you liked it, and you definitely go on to the site and you will explore this site. So if you have any doubts, please do write into the comment section and we can discuss over there. Until then, stay home, stay happy. Thank you.